Great to be with you all here in Dearborn, Michigan for the third Automotive Manufacturing North America Conference, where we're talking about future-proofing American production, driving flexible, local, and digital production. From OEMs, Tier 1s, technology and solutions providers, talking about future-proofing American production. This conference is really about what we can control inside the four walls of the factory and across the network. And that's through having the right technology in place to support efficiency, having the right processes to drive innovation, and the skills and talent, people and partnerships that underline that. And that's just what we're trying to capture here at this conference. We sent our delegates, for example, this afternoon to the University of Michigan Dearborn conference just nearby to visit some advanced manufacturing labs and Industry 5.0 demonstrations. We learned about the future of AI in manufacturing, data-driven processes, and additive manufacturing. So, it was a real hands-on opportunity for our delegates to see innovation in action. We kicked off our event then today with some insights on our lessons in smart manufacturing. Hearing from Marcel Schaefer from Fraunhofer US. Marcel talked about lessons in smart factory development, again, really focused on that people, processes, technology point in that order as he added, talking about why AI projects sometimes fail in the automotive manufacturing space, testing models and getting your data right. We brought Trent Randalls, who's a manufacturing engineer at Borg-Warner, to add his perspective and to talk again about how to drive digitalization in factories. And for him, it was really important, the integration of cross-functional teams. So we had some really interesting examples of bringing engineers on site to the plant in South Carolina at Borg-Warner to work together on transfer cases, understanding how to optimize processes. Finally, we finished today with our networking event and our Meet the Speakers session, where we heard from more of our speakers on surprising aspects in manufacturing in their roles, on some key objectives and priorities, and what to expect for the rest of the conference. Thanks again for being with us here at Automotive Manufacturing North America. A lot more to come. Look forward to sharing it with you.